Gearing up for another Minnesota winter? Hey, it's Jared with Burnsville Heating and Air. We're going to share some tips with you on how to keep your furnace running smooth all winter long.
Hi, it's Cody with Burnsville Heating and Air. I'm here to talk to you and give you some tips on how to keep your furnace running this winter. First thing is making sure your filter is clean and not dirty. Another important thing is to ensure that your humidifier pad is changed before the heating season, and to ensure that your drain is working properly and that your intake and your venting pipes are clean and clear. Now I'm going to show you how to replace your furnace filter. The first most important thing to do is to ensure that you turn off the power to the furnace. So there is a switch on the furnace right there. Over here you will have a door that covers the filter. You will take that off. Then you will pull your filter out and examine it. As you can see, this one is very dirty. So what you would like to do is grab a new filter and ensure that the arrow, which is right here, is going towards the furnace. It's for airflow purposes. So then you will put your new filter in, put the cover back over, come over to the switch and turn the switch back on, and your furnace will start. Biggest thing with replacing the humidifier filter is to replace it or check it before every heating season. It's easy, the cover just pops off on the top and the bottom. Set the cover down on the ground or on a smooth surface. What you do is there's two tabs in here. These pull out. You pull this out, pull the water line off, and here is your pad. This top comes out at like so. If I can get it up. And then the pad slides out, just like that. Replace it with a new pad. Put the top back on. It's important to start at the bottom first, line them up, and then it will snap into place. Put your water line back in, open for winter. Grab your cover, and you can either start at the top or the bottom. I like to start at the bottom, it's easier that way. Snap it in, and you're good to go. So here we have the intake and the exhaust for your furnace. It's important that you make sure that there's nothing blocking the intake and there's nothing blocking the exhaust. Snow levels in Minnesota get very high, so it's important that you come and check this after a huge snowstorm or if the snow accumulates. Don't put anything to block it, and make sure that they're clean and clear.
Whether you need emergency repair, your system cleaned and tuned, or just looking to replace your outdated HVAC equipment, we're here to help. Visit us at burnsvilleheating.com to view our current specials.